YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video. It's an exciting one for me personally because we've got a new toy. And what we're going to do today, a bit different from what I usually do, is we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing video. And what I've got in this box is a GoPro Hero 11. So today is Thursday, and on Sunday I fly to South Africa for my honeymoon. I know, right? I get married tomorrow and I go to South Africa for my honeymoon. And I wanted to document South Africa the best way I could. I've got the Canon G7X Mark II that I'm filming on now with you guys, but I wanted like a sports camera basically to do it, to help me document the best. So I bought the best. And I was going to buy a Hero 10, but after looking at reviews I thought, you know what, I'll spend the extra money and I'll buy a Hero 11, and that's exactly what we've got in this packet. Look at that. So I bought the GoPro Hero 11 Black Series, and I bought it with the accessory bundle, and I also bought extra the suction cup. So I'll use that when I film my videos, when I'm working on my car and things like that. But the reason that I went for the accessory bundle and not just the GoPro Hero 11 itself is because of the things that you get with it in the package. I generally think that it's worth the extra money. So what I'll do is I'll point the camera down now at this GoPro Hero 11 and we'll get it unboxed. So it is a GoPro Hero 11 Black. As you can see there, it says at the top special bundle. Now, the accessory bundle case comes with this nice kind of toughened case to help look after it, because these are expensive and we want to look after them the best way we can. Look at that. Wow. That is so well presented. So what do you get then in the accessory bundle? In the accessory bundle, obviously it comes with a GoPro Hero 11, which we've got here. You then get, this is known as the floater. So this is like a selfie stick that is also floats in water. So that'll be good for South Africa, we can use that. You then get the head mount with the associated mounts. You also get a 32 gig micro SD card. And again, this is another reason why I think it's gone up with it, because you get 2 of the Enduro batteries. Now the research that I've done, and it's kind of depending on what settings you're using at the time, but out of one battery you'll kind of get about 2 to 2.5 hours worth of use out of the camera. So we've got 2, so we've got potentially 4 or 5 hours worth of footage. But for now, let's get our GoPro set up. So on the packet then, you get this card that says your camera must be set up first, and also on the back of the GoPro it says the same. Hello. So clearly GoPro want this camera set up. So what we'll do is we'll download this app and we'll go from there. So I'll get my iPad. All I'm doing here is downloading the GoPro app, updating and naming and setting up the GoPro. I did screen record it, but I lost the footage, and plus it's quite boring for you guys to watch. But it's dead easy and a nice, easy, simple app to use. So that's it, we're updated. Connecting to the cloud, auto upload to get video highlights. So I'm probably going to leave this part of the video here then, and the next time I'm assuming will be in about 2 weeks after we've been to South Africa, because I'm going to be doing a full review of me in South Africa with my, well, she won't be with my fiance, she'll be with my wife. We're going to be going shark diving, we're doing some driving, we're doing some mountain exploring, we're going up Tabletop Mountain, we're going to Penguin Beach, that is. So we're going to do all these things, and this is what this GoPro is exactly going to be used for. So this will be a comprehensive review. You're going to see loads of footage of the honeymoon, so I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch up with you when I'm back, hopefully when I've got a bit of a better time. See you in 2 weeks. As I said then, we went to South Africa on our honeymoon. All the footage you're about to see is recorded directly from the GoPro Hero 11. You can judge the stability and the quality of the footage yourselves. I didn't know what to expect when we booked South Africa, but I didn't expect this. Welcome everybody to South Africa. see the stability of the GoPro Hero 11 here. As you can see, we're on a boat, we're heading out to the ocean to go shark diving, and well, just look how stable the footage is.
Eu tô tirando várias, depois tu vai ter que cortar, tá ligado? Não, mas mais uma prefiro uma bacana do que eu tô tentando. Mas apareceu. É porque depende da posição deles.
They're going down. I hope you enjoyed that footage. You now join me from behind the wheel of my Mark II Focus ST. I hope you enjoyed that footage of the GoPro. I think South Africa has kind of done the camera justice, and the camera has done South Africa justice in the same respect, because the footage that you've seen, as you can judge for yourselves, is out of this world. There's a reason that GoPros are the most popular sports camera or action camera throughout the world, and well, you can see from the footage why. You really can. So like I say, hope you enjoyed this video. If you're thinking of buying a GoPro Hero 11 or any other GoPro and you want to ask any questions, comment down below. If you know anybody that's looking at buying a GoPro, share this video with them. Make sure you hit that like button, make sure you press that subscribe button, because we're not far off 700 subscribers at the point of filming this outro. We're about 694, so if I achieve 700 by December or by the end of the year, that would be absolutely amazing. So I thank you all for your support if you press that button. If not, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.